we want to emphasize the nature around the project. The challenge was we wanted to protect the house from the harsh weather outside. I'm going to talk about a very special project for us, which is residence we did in Thrissur. The site is spectacular. See, this is the profile of the site, and then we have a beautiful river on the rear side, and then we have paddy fields on the other side. Nature is a very important part of this project. The challenge was we have heavy rainfall and we have to cut off the noise. Maybe sometimes we have to cut the wind as well. So we were looking for large openings, clear sheets of glass where you could see the greenery outside and control over the weather outside. We got into this beautiful product from the Hindalco family. So we are very familiar with the Hindalco. It's an Eternia series. The material used for the frames, it's a patented alloy from their company, and it's called Duranium. That enabled us to have larger glass panes without interruptions. This entire series have been done by Eternia, and we were happy with the overall service from the technical team. Client is happy. We thank the team, entire team, for the support they have given to us. Thank you.